of it. You have to follow your heart, and you have to, once you put into so many, I'm using long and okay, it's going to be quite repetitive here. I'm going back and forth to make sure that
Hey you, I think you should know. Hey you, I'm feeling it so. Hey you, now where do you go? Hey you, you should let it flow. I do think you care. Do you hear my prayer? Hey you, I'm with you.
let's continue on this part using almost the same color. I think like 2/3 of it. Green colors in it, and we're going to use on to color number 11. This time we're going to start making the flower. Directly stitching filling full needle space for the other color. Pull out the needle like kind of in the middle. Try to blend them very well and also keeping. Now continue still number 14. A bit to show you in the racing color number 14. Find it too difficult, then now change to color number 15. And finally we're going to use color number 14. More realistic and 3D. And at the end, don't waste the thread. I can always find the petals. They are almost the same color. With the lighter color number, using color number 14, we're going to add more stitches. How it looks like when you finish it. Please feel free to make an outline or straight line on the corner and back to color number 17. On those long C-shaped petals, you have to slow. On the reference picture, it shows very dark. Yeah, so color number 15. Your time, try to blend the two colors very well. You can either stitch from one side to another. Reference picture, you will find this area is almost black. Instead, I picked this dark purple.
Well, at least you shared. I'm with you for the ride. I'm just unprepared. We've come a long way. See how much we've grown. Let's make the best of today, despite the unknown. Please.
And we are going to change the direction again. Following this on the left button, I leave it empty. Onto a new petal triangle here. We are going to fill it. Now change to color number 14 when we finish this dot. So we're using a new color number 19. Continue, finish this long stripe and slowly filling full with drawing one circle after another. We're going to use color number 17 and we are going to make this corner. Change to color number 14 and we're going to we're going to make another outline here. To continue this part we didn't finish the darkest part, then we will start with, and then we continue on another light area and start to make very tiny petals in the middle of this dark color number 15 and work on the row. We play a little game called Needle Hole Scavenger Hunt. It's really a lot of work, and congratulations if you finished.